Here, you want to see it?
No.
You want to see it? My shit's already screwed up. It's broke, because I know what I did. There, this damn shit's almost indestructible. There. Let's see. There. Now, there. Fix that, asshole. Fix that. I don't give a shit. Yeah, I broke my own phone because you're an asshole. Stupid ass.
Your sight is a gift. Take care of it by visiting an eye doctor yearly.
There. Now you're gonna buy me another one. You're gonna buy me another one.
Dad.
Shut up. Shut up. Your brains are in your ass. You get smacked with everything on that when you're trying to do something. Why do you bother me when I'm doing shit? Why? Why?
Because it's funny.
No, it's gonna be funny when you buy me a new phone.
You just...
When you buy me a new phone. You're a freaking dick with ears, that's what you are.
If you guys haven't already, drop a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.